Your Brain and You 11 Facts That May Blow Your Mind. Do you smell music or read in color? Synesthesia is a disorder resulting in the sufferer experiencing an alternate sense as a result of the first sense. Basically, your neural wires are getting crossed. Alien hand syndrome is a neurological disorder in which the affected person's hand appears to take on a mind of its own. Alien hand syndrome is best documented in cases where a person has had the two hemispheres of their brain surgically separated. A human brain is 75% water and has the consistency of tofu or gelatin. It is also composed of 60% fat. Everyone's brains start out as female in utero. The brain of males begins to become masculinized around 8 weeks after conception by the male hormone testosterone. It's also called a testosterone wash. You can't tickle yourself because the brain can distinguish between unexpected touch and your own. When you try to tickle yourself, the cerebellum predicts the sensation, and this prediction is used to cancel the response of other brain areas to the tickle. There are no pain receptors in the brain. There is no sense of pain within the brain itself. This fact allows neurosurgeons to probe areas of the brain while the patient is awake. Feedback from the patient during these probes is useful for identifying important regions, such as those for speech, and those can be spared if possible. The human brain has around 100,000 miles of blood vessels. The human brain consists of approximately 100 billion neurons, which is as many cells as there are stars in the Milky Way. Déjà vu, French for already seen, has never been fully explained, though some scientists believe that a neurological glitch causes an experience to be registered in the memory before reaching consciousness. Phineas P. Gage was an American railroad construction foreman remembered for his improbable survival of an accident in which a large iron rod was driven completely through his head, destroying much of his brain's left frontal lobe, and for that injuries reported effects on his personality and behavior over the succeeding 12 years. Prior to the accident, Gage was described as a smart and shrewd businessman. After, his personality changed a great deal, like indulging in profanity and showing little patience with friends and family. He was said to be almost childlike. As we move through this unit, you'll see that these brain facts are merely the tip of the iceberg. If you have any strange questions about the brain, relating to the brain, how the brain works, please bring them to me. I don't have an answer. We'll figure it out together. If you're too embarrassed to bring me a question in front of the class, shoot me an email and we'll talk about it. But I really hope that you enjoy this topic as much as I do. It's probably my favorite topic in science. So enjoy.